There's nothing more fun than getting pulled over by the police, even for doing nothing wrong. Just happens to everyone, you know? Don't say it's a racial thing. They pull everyone over. Anyways, we got a 1993 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra. It's casting, I believe, number 6, or it's number 6 in the series of muscle machines that were rebooted by Maisto. It does say 2021 down there. You probably can't see that. This is a Chinese market one, henceforth all the Chinese text. There are the other models there. Would have been cool if they had photos of them. And it seems to be all licensed stuff, so it's all on the up and up. Alright. As usual, I feel this is a waste of money right here. I just went right into the trash because I can't screw the thing to the base, so it's just worthless. Seems like if I had to guess, these are California Highway Police, just based on the star, but I could be wrong. I don't know. Chips. Yeah, so, you know, some slight variations. Mainly that crazy blower sticking out of the hood. But it's interesting that this is a real car. It was called the SSP package, or Special Something package. What's the middle S? I'm just making this up. I'm guessing SSP. Special Super Patrol? I don't know. Okay, well, let's continue on. So we have a regular black, it's not metallic, and a regular white, not metallic. But we have nice tampo printing. Highway Patrol. Does it actually say the state? Yeah, so it's kind of pixelated, so I think that's supposed to say California Highway Patrol. So I did guess right. Every now and then I'm actually correct. Every now and then. Must be a full moon. So we have some recess action for the fingers, and then the door handle sticking out and raised, which is nice. There's a Mustang Cobra here. I mean, a Cobra symbol there. The wheels are not, you know, the type that you see in the photos. I think the regular car just has like steelies and hubcaps. These are some sort of like Krager looking rims. And then they have the black circle, which is, I'm guessing, supposed to be the brake rotor. I would rather not have it, to be honest with you. And then, sadly, here, I don't know if there's just extra plastic there. I think so, because it looks far more hollow here. So that's a problem. You know, if they didn't try to put in this brake rotor, they probably wouldn't have this problem right here. So that's too bad. Okay, well, it is a screwed together base, so I guess I could go in there with a hobby knife and clean it up, but I'm not going to bother right now. So a little misprint here. There's a mirror molded in there. There's no interior, it's just an opaque black window. And here they literally just printed the window on the casting. Sorry if my phone vibrates. I'm trying out a new phone mount. I'm always trying to... I either knock it around, or now this thing kind of vibrates. It's not as rigid as it should be, but it allows smooth movement. So it does have Mustang printed there, so that's nice and legible. And then I like to see the this black, you know, molding detail printed, and it's like a matte finish, unlike the gloss of the body. Alright, going to the front, yeah, silver painted headlights, and then the Ford logo of some sort. Not really, no, it's not really legible, is it? And then we have some silver for the fog lights. And then what's going on here? There's no indication of the inlet here, right? There's a radiator down here, so I don't know why Muscle Machines would skip that entirely, right? It wouldn't be difficult to mold in a recess. Like, it's just really strange. Okay, the engine is pretty cool, if not over the top. And I like that they got some red paint in there, and then a little gold, and then the belt itself is black. So you got 3 different colors on this engine. It's very chromy, yeah, very chrome. I'd rather have it without the hood. Oh, I didn't even realize this through the packaging. There's a red and silver light here, these little auxiliary lamps. And yeah, they are on their photo, so very cool that they actually got that detail. Granted, on the photo they're on the 8 pillars. But they would just break off being a toy if they were way out here, so I think they made the right choice. Okay, well, the roof is just plain white. Would have been cool if there was some sort of identification printed up there, so the Chips helicopter could see it. Alright, so yeah, this side is a lot better. You can clearly read California Highway Patrol, so I'm not sure what happened on the other side, but this side, the printing is much better. Okay, obviously the tires are quite staggered. I'm noticing there's a silver center cap, so a nice little extra paint effort there. There's a fuel filler door here, and I gotta say, Muscle Machines has the largest panel gaps in diecast. I mean, this is really big, but it is a toy. Okay, the taillights are nicely done, nicely printed, no overruns. Highway Patrol is nicely legible. This little recess for some silver for the lock. The Ford badge, boy, that's even worse than the front one. Now this is weird. Why wouldn't they just write, why wouldn't they have maybe that graphic as an outline or something? There's just nothing there. Or like the Cobra symbol or Ford, something. It's just a white license plate. These exhaust tips are awesome. They're just so huge. These could be I don't know if they're the largest ones I have in my collection, but I like them. And they're definitely the deepest ones in my collection. That is a deep recess. Okay, very neat. The wing is just casted in. This is all blanked off here. Again, this is a toy. If those, I don't know though. You know, if Hot Wheels can actually have air passing, maybe they could have done it. Maybe not. At least it's black, so it's not really noticeable because it's black. Well, I guess that's it. I guess the highlight is the fact that they added these little lights up here. You know, never mind the whole extra engine with all the paint tabs. So, pretty good. Oh, we didn't talk about the bottom. There's some silver paint here for the exhaust system. A little fuel tank, it looks like. I like that they tell you the year of the car. And then you got these standard type of trademarks marks that I've grown accustomed to. And then some sort of like number. But it's not, I don't think it's a serial number. Probably like a batch number or something. Very smooth. So I have kind of something similar. This is a green light of a real police livery. I think this one was from Arizona. But it is a 93 Ford Mustang, it says. And it does have the Cobra thing, so I think, but it's a drag car, so it's definitely taken some, yeah, they took some liberties on this. I think the regular car was a regular state police chase car, not a drag car. Alright, then I have two other Mustangs in this collection. This is the very first casting, or the very first release of these new waves of Muscle Machines. So that's what it is. I like that they tell you what the thing is. And then this is the, I think, RTRX. It doesn't actually, oh there it is, it's written there. It's in shadow though. This is definitely my favorite of the three. It has a lot of cool details, and it's a real car. In real life, that is. Okay. So if you like Mustangs, and you like slightly deformed stuff, you know, I think Muscle Machines is a pretty good thing to look into. I think that RTRX, you can see it's such a wide body. The over fenders they put on there, yeah, it is the widest of them all. Okay, well, we're not talking about the RTRX today. I think that's called the Enforcer Stormtrooper. It's a little Bandai figure. I don't know what line they're from. I just picked these up at used toy stores. Alright, well, another fine Muscle Machines. Yeah, ideally the wheels wouldn't be black, but they really are black on the real car, so it's understandable they went with that. But look at it. I can't even see the wheels, you know? Not a fan of the black wheels. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next Muscle Machines video. Bye.